Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be speedily going through a little haul that I did. You guys, I love going shopping for makeup. And right now it's been like 'tis the season for holy crap, everything's on sale. So I have definitely found a couple of deals that if you run out to Ulta right now, you can still get. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you like me, don't forget to subscribe. And if you love me, don't forget to share. But let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, first thing is first. Check out the makeup for today. Yes, we used the Morphe palette by James Charles. Love. And I wanted to tell you guys real quick, I used one color, one eyeshadow shade for this look. I know. It is this shade right here. Hell if I remember what it's called, and I cannot find the little inserty thing. I don't know how I lost it, but I'm gonna blame the 2-year-old. So this is the only shade that I used on the whole lid, and I buffed it out, and then I packed it back on in certain areas. And then for my inner corner area, I blended this into basically here and then up, and it gave me this lovely effect. And then I used a little bit of the Milani Stay Put black liner right here, and then I smudged it out with a little bit of black eyeshadow, because if you want your eyeshadow or if you want your eyeliner to stay put, set it with a black eyeshadow and it won't go anywhere all day. And on top of only using one eyeshadow shade, I only used 3 brushes for this look. You guys, love it. I love keeping things as simple for you guys as possible. So here they are right here, the 3 brushes. This is literally from like an art kit. It's not even, it is literally not even a makeup brush. And then I used this very old Bare Essentials, just a little tiny packer. I used that for like under the eye. And then this is the brush that I used, which is a Morphe 321. And I use this to do all the packing on the lid and the blending on the upper lid, and just the generalized smoking out. So yes, you guys, one color, 3 brushes, keeping it simple for you. Right, next I want to move on to lashes. So this is amazing to me that there is not more talk about this brand of mascara. You can find them at Ulta, probably some other places too, maybe CVS or something like that. But this brand is so underrated. It's unbelievable. These are each somewhere between $4 and $5, these mascaras. And they are by the brand Essence, okay? And I love them. This is the first one that I bought, which is the Lash Princess False Lash Effect. And this is what the wand looks like. I love this one for getting my bottom lashes and getting my inner corner lashes. And it's very black, very pigmented, doesn't flake. This one is called Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Waterproof. And this is like a big chunky blue one. Y'all, wait until you see this wand. Yo. She thick. She is thick. And you know what I love this one for? I love this one because it's so huge. Generally I don't love a huge one, but this is kind of like my finishing touch wand. After you've got your mascara on and everything else like that, I like to just hit the little ends like this with a big wand that's like that, and it just makes them slightly longer, slightly juicier. And I'm telling you, it works. So pretty. And the last one that I have here is the Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. And here is the wand for this one. And I got this one to basically be my all-over mascara. It works really good because it's got this curved edge. So you can like stick it up there and then roll it out. Roll out.
Roll out so much volume, you can't stop that.
And with that mascara, I also picked up a pair of Ardell false lashes. I've never tried this, what do you call it, type before. They're called the Mega Volume, Never Flat, Multi-Layered, Taper Tips Curl Technology. These are the Ardell 252s, and usually when I'm looking at lashes, I turn them to the side so I can see in there and just kind of see how lifted they are, how curled they are, and it gives me a pretty good idea of how thick that they should be. So let's go ahead and just like pull one out and throw it on and see what it looks like. I'm not going to trim it, we're just going to throw it on willy-nilly. Oh, those are going to be pretty. Oh, those are going to be really pretty. Oh, hopefully I found my new favorite lashes because I have gone through so many kinds of lashes and never really found ones that I really like inexpensive lashes, okay? You can't all spend $12 on lashes. But I really like those, and I will probably be wearing them for the next video. And last but not least, for the eyes, I believe. Yes, this is all I have left for the eyes. This is the, where does it say? Right there. This is the Urban Decay Razor Sharp White. I want to read it, I want to say it right. Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. And this is in the shade Bump, which is just a white shade. And this is what it looks like when you open her up. Open her up upside down, you know, that's how it goes. So here's the container. It's got 2.3 ounces, so that's pretty good. So here's your applicator. I usually hold it like this. There you go. It is very pigmented and it stays all day. That was what I requested. I requested a liner that will stay vibrant and pigmented all day. And so this one is good. This one does what I ask it to. Moving on to some lips. Alright, now I picked these up because they were on sale for like $2 and some change each. So I just couldn't resist because of the colors, like what? Alright, this first shade is called Black Widow, and these are the Essence brand Vibrant Shock Lip Paints. They smell fruity. This is in the shade Black Widow. This is the shade Night Stalker. So when it says lip paint, I'm assuming that must mean like a lip stain. Check out this color though. This is the shade Lily of the Valley. And there is your shade Lily of the Valley. Lily of the Valley is very pretty. I don't know how they did it. It's sparkly, yet foily. I don't know. I like them though. I want to give them a shot. Go check these out if you want to find some very interesting colors to play with. Moving on to some blushes by Flower brand. This is the shade Sweet Pea. And this is the shade Wild Rose. And I have used both already and I love them both. Today I am wearing Sweet Pea. And I believe yesterday, if you want to go check out my Instagram, you'll see all the photos that I've been posting, but I believe I wore this one yesterday, which is Wild Rose. And then of course, you know, Mama, I had to pick up some cute face masks because I love these. They're so cute, the little animated ones that have like little characters on them. Me and the son will be doing a holiday mom versus son face mask war. So I'm excited to do this with him. He loves doing them. They're a little torturous, but somehow he loves coming back for more. And last but not least, I saved the big dogs, the big guns for last. Now listen, y'all, go run out and get you this right here, okay? This is the Big Sexy Hair brand. This isn't one of those brands that has a lot of like hype behind it just because it's like pretty and red, black, and big, and you know, this works. I have tried this brand out. These are the best spray products for your hair that I have tried. I really like Paul Mitchell. Paul Mitchell is probably my second to favorite, but usually I cannot afford to buy these or Paul Mitchell or any of that kind of stuff. But thank you, Ulta. They have a 2 for $21 sale. Okay, one of these are anywhere between $16 and $18 and $19. So you get 2 for $21, but there's more. There's more. They give you this for free too. When you get the 2 for $21 deal, you get this too. What it is it is a small travel size spray and play harder hairspray and a small travel size root pump, which we all know and love. That was like the first thing that ever like changed our lives. But here you go. So you get 2 for $21 plus this. And there was a free coupon on the app for a free beauty blender, cleaner, bar thing. I walked out of there with so much like free stuff and whatever. I was like, yeah! Alright you guys, that was all I have for you today. I know it was a short video, but I am desperately working on a project for you guys. Well, it's really for me, but I'll share it with you. And I will give you a little hint. It has something to do with this. So stay tuned, you guys, and thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all on Friday. Love ya. Bye.